poking up. Gotta get a last poker to my man.
Man.
This for you, my brother.
That peach soda. Hey man, what street is this? Almeda. Guys, make sure y'all check out ExoticPop on Almeda. They are open, guys. And when I tell you this place here is a spaceship, it is a spaceship 100%. Awesome. What's going on, y'all? We are back at it with another one. We are here at ExoticPop, meeting up with Charleston today. He wanted us to come check out the floor. They had a big event this weekend. Got a couple little dents. Some stuff happened to the floor, so we're here to check it out and see what's going on and show y'all this place. Look at the spaceship in here, man. Check it out. Something cool about this is they connected the speakers to the TV, which is pretty fly. Y'all make sure y'all come out here and check out ExoticPop. It is really going down over here, guys. I need these right here. Cool thing about these lights is they got them in the floor as well. All the way down to the front. So whenever we started this project, was one of the biggest things that we were trying to figure out was how to achieve this. Charleston had a vision, called us. We came out here with this team and accomplished what he was trying to go with the LED lights and the epoxy floor. Everybody that has something to do a part of this project did it really, really well, man. Everyone had a task, everyone achieved it, and the final vision was awesome. I mean, check it out, guys. Looks like a spaceship in here. White on top of white. But we're out of here, guys. Guys, we're gonna get up out of here, get back to the office, probably get something to eat, talk to these guys a little bit and figure out what they want to do, and then we'll go from there. Peace.